Hi, I'm John Louis, and I'm very excited to be your virtual assistant. While I may not have prior experience in VA, I have a strong skills that make me a great fit for this role. I have a background working in local government unit where I develop my relevant skills just like communication, organization, time management, and problem solving. I am a tech savvy and comfortable using tools just like Canva, Trello, Microsoft, and Zoom. I am a quick learner and eager to learn in the new processes in business. As your virtual assistant, I can help with your tasks, just like email management, calendar management, online creation, or even administrative tasks. I am committed in delivering high quality work with efficiency and professionalism. I believe that communication and reliability are key to being a great virtual assistant. I'm excited to bring my value and support to your business. I love the opportunity to work with you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.